Morning everyone. Today topic is centering and shuttering, shoring, scaffolding and underpinning. Myself Dr. J. Sagayruban, Department of Civil Engineering, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. What is centering and shuttering? Centering and shuttering are the both are the formworks. Centering in the term used the formwork is horizontally. So this picture shows we have to use a timber in the form of horizontally. It is called a centering. It may be used in slab, floor, beam systems. Shuttering term used for the former for the vertically. It is used for column, footing, and retaining wall. Steel and timber blanks are commonly used for material for centering as well as shuttering. So picture clearly shows where we are using a horizontal member is called a centering. The vertical member we are using a so requirement of shuttering and centering. The surface of the form should be smooth. It should be able to withstand all the load coming on it. It should be able to retain its shape. Should have a minimum deflection under load. It should be a reusable. Should not be a costly one because after construction we can remove it. It should be waterproof so that it does not absorb water from the fresh concrete. It should be facilitate easy stripping during the time of removal. So these are the three types of formwork used for centering as well as shuttering. One is timber. We have to use a plywood also. That is a waterproof plywood. Steel formwork. These are the three formworks used for centering as well as a. So next we'll see the shoring. What is shoring? Shoring is a construction of temporary structure to support the temporarily and unsafe structure. These support wall laterally. Shoring can be used when the wall coming out, when wall crack due to the unequal settlement of foundation and the repair or to be carried out the cracked wall. And an adjacent structure need pulling down when opening or to be newly made or enlarged in the wall. So these conditions we have to use the shoring. So there are three type of shoring is available. One is ranking shoring, another one is a flying shoring, another one is a dead shoring. So ranking shoring. In this method, the inclined member known as a rackus were used to give the lateral support to the wall. So this is figure shows that this is a wall. This is the inclined member used to support the wall. So this is a racking shoring. Flying shoring. Flying shoring is a system provide temporary support to the party wall of two building where the intermediate building is to be built down and rebuilt. So this is a diagram shows that a single flying shore. This is a detail of single flying shore. So these are two walls. We have to give a support system. Next is the dead shoring. This type of shoring used to support the dead load that act vertically downwards. It is the simplest form. It consists of a vertical prop or the shore leg with the head plate, sole plate, and some means of the adjustment for the tightening and easing shore. So this is a pictorial representation of the dead shoring. Next is the scaffolding. Scaffolding is widely used to construction and renovation activities. It is a simplest form. A scaffold is a temporary elevated or suspended work surface used to support the workers and the material. We can easily take a material using a scaffold. These are many type of scaffold, both supported as well as unsupported. The picture we can see this is a single scaffolding. This is a double scaffolding. This is a cantilever scaffolding. This is suspended. We can use painting or erection of any glass. We can use the suspended scaffolding. This is a textile scaffolding. This is the steel scaffolding. These are the different type of scaffolding used for construction. Next, underpinning. What is underpinning? Underpinning is a strengthening and reinforcing of existing foundation of the structure, typically by extending the depth or breadth of the foundation. Its name because the underpinning procedure is performed in a stage so as not to compromise the entirely of the structure integrity once. Method of underpinning. So there are the several methods are available. One is a pit method and one is a pile method. Then underpinning to the wall, jack pile underpinning, needle and pile underpinning. Then stool method for underpinning, root pile or angle piling underpinning column. So these are some of the method available. Purpose using the underpinning. For the purpose of leading an old shallow foundation to the deeper depth when the adjoining building is constructed with the foundation. Underpinning is done for the building basement for the existing building. Underpinning is done to deepen the existing foundation resting on the poor strata and make it rest on deeper soil strata of higher bearing capacity to strengthen the settle foundation that may be caused by crack in the wall. So these are the purpose we can use the underpinning. We have a lot of methods are available. So based on the requirement, we have to use that. Thank you.